What's good, y'all? We out here having a trailer park cookout. It's scrap. Good old ramen noodles right here on the coffee maker. Yeah. We got a cheeseburger cooking in the toaster. And guess what? It gets better because we got some vegetables up here steaming. Yeah. Make sure that's on. Yeah, that bad boy's on though. We having a feast. That's the chicken noodles too. That's the good ones, y'all. Those are the good ones right there. Yup. This burger over here toasty. It's toasty as hell too, bro. This burger's over here toasting. Let's give it some extra heat. Extra heat for the toaster. Yeah. All right, there it is. The burger's done. Ding, ding, ding. Burger's done, right? I'm gonna pull this bad boy out. Flop it right over here. Get out of here, fly. Put that bad boy right there, right? I got some cheese right here. Yeah, I got some cheese. I'm gonna flop that right there. Put that cheese right on top of the burger, right? But that's where this hair dryer comes back in handy again. Oh, it don't work all of a sudden. Okay. Well, hair dryer's out commission. I guess I'll have to have cheese that's not melted. Let's get us some veggies. Put some veggies on this plate, bro. This is a trailer park barbecue, y'all. Some vegetables. Yeah, buddy. And we got some ramens. Put some ramens on our plate. Yeah. Oh, damn. Damn. Did all this using a coffee maker, a toaster, and a hair dryer. Yeah.